purchased another EcoFlow Delta battery, the River model. It's a smaller 288 watt hour battery. Now, the reason I bought a second one was I've connected it up to my router, my phone, and NBN device. So if the power goes down, it uses the NBN device, the phone, and the router uses 70 watts. So 288 divided by 70, you get 4. So that's the number of hours that the battery will last in the event of a power outage. So my insensible computing infrastructure has got a battery that will last between 4 to 5 hours, and communication equipment has that as well. So if the power goes down, say around about 5 hours, my server, my internet connection will stay up for. Will that be enough? Hopefully yes. Hopefully yes. I think I've done enough work now on batteries and adding batteries to my infrastructure. I think that is enough, that I'm confident that when I'm away in Thailand, if there's a storm or if there's a power outage, anything like that, that should be enough time. And so I'm just making some tweaks, fine-tuning to my systems, making sure I can access everything remotely, making sure that I can log in remotely, that everything is set up correctly. I'm still thinking February to go to Thailand. However, Thailand has implemented quarantine again for travellers because of the threat that Omicron poses. So it's 7 to 10 days, something like that, in quarantine that I have to do, which sucks. Oh well. Still waiting to hear back from Austrac in regards to my application to be registered as a digital exchange and money remittance provider. Playing the waiting game here. Probably be after Christmas until I hear from them. Everything takes longer than what you think, and costs more than what you think. Yeah, the big advantage that I have working over in Thailand as well, is that I'm living off a government pension, so I can run the business and just keep going without pressure on me that I need to succeed right away in what I'm doing. So I've got time to think, to strategize, to plan, to document, to trial things, to test things, to do focus group tests and interviews with the Thais, all that sort of stuff. Because INTJ Billing is a privately funded company, and this project, this Bitcoin Lightning Network project that I'm engaging in, is privately funded. I don't have any pressure dealing with investors or dealing with outsiders, anything like that. My friend Steve convinced me to go it alone as well and maintain as much independence as I possibly can maintain. And of course he's right. I don't want to be leveraged by anyone. I don't want to be pressured by anyone. I don't want to have some other majority shareholder in what I'm doing, none of that sort of stuff. It's always caused problems in the past. Yeah. This BTC Pay server solution and Lightning Network solution for the entertainment industry in Thailand, this is exactly what they need. There's no other way. Every other payment company doesn't like dealing with the entertainment industry over there. Got all these policies that discriminate against them. Unacceptable. Having someone like myself working in the industry over there with my company, with my solution, that's the way to do it. One of the payment companies in the adult space is called CC Bill, and they've got very high charges. That's an outside company. That's a company that is very far on the outside, and they make a whole lot of money by charging adult-related businesses very high fees. But what happens if someone like me, from my world, creates a payment company and then becomes an insider over there? All right, sets up a business on location over there, works with the industry, not seeing the industry just as a cash cow, but partners with, collaborates with, works closely with, and so on. I think there are big advantages in doing that, whilst maintaining, of course, my independence. Very important that I maintain my independence. And the Bitcoin Lightning Network is definitely the solution to cross-border payments. Definitely the solution. It's instant. It's extremely cheap. It's permissionless. It's trustless. Trust in cryptography. It's the way to go. Leading the way.